In this tutorial, I'll explore workspace isolation in Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench and demonstrate its significance in ensuring secure, collaborative, and efficient data science. In Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench, a workspace serves as a secure, isolated environment, a private sandbox containing my data files, notebooks, workflows, and compute resources. It's a best practice to create multiple workspaces for different teams or projects to promote isolation. In AIDP Workbench, each workspace is isolated with its own role-based access controls, protecting sensitive data and critical resources from unauthorized access or modifications. To create a workspace, I'll navigate to Workspace, then click Create. It's important to note that to create a workspace, you need the Create Workspace permission, or the AI Data Platform admin role. The Create Workspace permission can be granted directly from the workspace listing page. Once I enter a name, description, and default catalog, I'll select Create. When the workspace status is active, it is now ready to use. I can repeat this process to create multiple workspaces, so that their resources can be isolated from one another and teams can collaborate without interference. Workspace isolation makes multi-team, multi-project collaboration safe and productive by keeping resources like notebooks, files, compute clusters, and data logically separated, preventing interference. Workspace isolation also supports strong governance and compliance. Each workspace maintains separate logs, permissions, and resource quotas. Lastly, workspace isolation fuels operational efficiency. Teams can establish development, test, and production workspaces, initiate their own compute clusters, and manage data lifecycles independently, without waiting on or disrupting others. By implementing workspace isolation, Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench provides the protection, collaboration, governance, and agility my enterprise requires for reliable analytics and AI within a unified platform. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench in the links below.